Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing a problem using these limits definitions that I showed in the last video and explained. So we're gonna be using this in an actual problem now. So let's just dive right in. So what can we see here? This is limit as x approaches 0 e to the 4x minus 1 over x. So which one of these does this most closely resemble? And I'd say it's pretty obvious that it's number 1. So, what can we do here? Well, e to the 4x, right? And here, this is e to just the x, right? So you might think, oh, let's just factor out the e to the 4, right? So it'll just be e to the x left. But we can't do that because there's not another e to the 4 here, right? It's just a negative 1. So what we can do is we can multiply this by 4 over 4, which is like multiplying it by just 1, which doesn't do anything, right? So this will become limit as x approaches 0 e to the 4x minus 1, we're just going to leave that, over 4x, right, times 4 here. Now, this 4, we can move it out here, okay? So 4 times limit x approaches 0 e to the 4x minus 1 over 4x, right? Now, we can replace this 4x with u. So we're going to say 4x equals u. Now, we're going to just replace this in the same step. So this is going to become u. This is also going to become u. E to the u, e to the, and this is also going to become u. So now that 4x is equal to u, x is going to be equal to u over 4, right? So u over 4 is tending to 0, or, right, like if you say like u over 4 is tending to 0, it's the same thing as saying that u is tending to 0, right? Because think of it like you're bringing the 4 to the other side, right? It's the same way to think about it, but u to the 4 is tending to 0, it's the same thing. So here's going to become u is tending to 0. So now what can we see? This is the same thing as number 1 here, except just with different variables, right? It's going to be u tending to 0, e to the u minus 1 over u, right? Same variable, it's going to cancel, become 1, right? So this is equal to 4 times 1, or 4. So the answer here is 4. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you.